Okay, Chevy Express van. Right here, brought in here today. And I don't know really what's wrong with it. We're gonna drop the pan, but we know it came in loud because somebody cut off the converters right there. And there's the other one on this side. There's right there, and it's cut off right there. So now we're gonna have to deal with that. They did this. They just dropped it off from a different shop. Customer don't know this happened, but
That's $300 or more. More.
Don't know if it's happened in y'all state, but people do cut converters off and they sell them for the platinum in there. But that's what happens. There's people who just do that. So we got that. All right. Okay, let's get back to this Chevy Express van. We took the pan down. Down here it's blown up. And you see down here is the pan. This is full of metal inside this 480. So this trans definitely has to come out and be fixed. There ain't nothing else to do with this but to take care of it. Alright. Alright, so what is this? What kind of van? I don't know what.
The Chevy Express.
It's a Chevy Express, and it is probably a 2500 because it got that 4L80 in there. I don't see the 2500 sign, but okay. Here we go.